Voter Facilitation Poster. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of VCI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, law shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to explain the voter facilitation poster, illustrate the 4 types of voter facilitation posters. Voter facilitation poster. To inform electors regarding arrangements at the polling stations and to provide greater facilitation and awareness at the polling booths on the day of poll, 4 voter facilitation posters shall be displayed near the entrance of each polling station. Voter facilitation posters to include VF1 polling station details, VF2 list of candidates, VF3 do's and don'ts, VF4 approved identification documents and how to vote. The size of the voter facilitation posters will be VF1 and VF2 27 inches cross 27 inches, VF3 and VF4 27 inches cross 36 inches. The sample of voter facilitation posters are shown on the screen. The voter facilitation posters shall be displayed, pasted or stuck on the outside wall near the entrance of each polling station. The sector officers shall ensure that the voter facilitation posters are prominently displayed as per the directions and submit a report to the returning officer. In this educational video, we have learned about the voter facilitation poster. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.